AI Remake.ai. Let's put it that way. One of the best tools I've come across so far. It has a lot of AI tools which you can use. I'm not talking about one, not talking about two, a lot of AI tools which you can use on this website here. So we'll add a link below so you can go ahead and check it out. But pretty much you can search on the Google or any browser all and pretty much find it. So here you can just scroll and look for what you want. As you can see here on the all options, pretty much shows you all the features. But to summarize it, you have the AI photo generator, AI photo editor, AI remover, AI photo enhancer, AI video tools, a lot of AI tools which you can use. As you can see here for music, you have the videos, you have text to videos, you have AI photos, you have the live portrait videos, AI using AI, you have the video AI remover, background remover, you have the AI by scroll option, you have a lot of tools, guys, as I said before, and you also have some AI image enhancer, you have unblur image, you have batch image upscaler, a lot of them which you can use for this application, guys, a lot of them. So all you have to do is just look for what you want and you pretty much will find it on this website here. And if I go in this section over here, you will also see them a bit easier. As you can see, you have the video section, you have the image section here as well, you have the video and the space swap section. You have a lot of sections which a lot of AI tools as said before, which you can use on this website here. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through a few and test out a few of their tools and show you guys. So we'll be starting with the text to video option. As you can see here, text to video option, and all I have to do is pretty much enter a prompt and it will generate a AI video for you. So we're gonna just enter like cat running or some simple prompt with this here, or it does give you a prompt guide as it relates to you entering prompt for this website here, and they do offer you a model which you can use. Can tap on the arrow icon here to select different models. So do keep in mind the model that you use will give you a better better quality. As you can see here, you have the Remaker 1.0 Pro. You can pretty much use that, but it does take more credit. So the higher the model, the more credits you're going to use. So I'm going to select this option here and use that feature. So here I can also select the aspect ratio as it relates to this here. You can select 1.6 here, 9:6 are aspect ratio for that there, and the video length. And as well can select down here the reference as it relates to image. If you want to upload an image, you can do that as well. So once I've selected all of that, I'm just going to tap on generate here. So I'm going to tap on this here. So once you have done that, it will pretty much start generating your video. So it will not take very long. It will take a few minutes to generate. As you can see here, it's pretty much generated. So I will try it on next feature as well, that which they have. I will come back to the video generating section here. So they do have it's an image generator feature here. So I'm going to explore or try their image generation feature. So tap on the explore option here, AI image generator. So as you can see here, all I have to do is pretty much enter a prompt and you'll be able to generate images. So over here you have the image to image option, which you can pretty much add something in the image that you want, or you can select or upload an image that you want to put into that image, as you understand what I'm saying. But yeah, but I'm going to try the text to image feature. Here just enter a prompt, or you can just tap on the try option here. So if I do tap on this, it will generate something for me. These are just some preset prompts which you can use if I don't have anything in mind. So I'm going to use these. Here you do get different models which you can use as it relates to this. So the image generation feature do give you different models. As you can see here, you get the 4K resolution with this model here, and you have Banana Pro as well. You have Google Image 4 Fast and some other ones which you can use. But I'm going to stick with this one here, and that's pretty much it. So let me see down here. So as you can see, the different model you use give you a different price. So as you can see, I was using this one at the top here and it gave me 6 credits, but I was using this one here which give me less amount of credits. So the higher, as I said before, the higher the quality, the more credits. So here you have some different styles which you can select. Also have the resolution as well. 4K option. This is 4K. This is 2K. This is 180p, I would say. Here you have different styles which you can select as well. As you can see, a lot of different styles we can use. So I'm going to just select one of these here. You can select the aspect ratio as well. And I'm just going to select random aspect ratio and also how much images you want to generate. So if you want to generate 4 images, it all depends upon you. So I'm going to select, let's say 2 images. Here you can generate, tap on generate option here. Be able to generate 2 images. That will pretty much cost 12 credits. So I'll tap on generate here and it will start generating these 2 images. So will take a few minutes as it relates to this. Not going to take very long, as you can see here. And it's finished. So let's say it's finished. Okay, so once the image has pretty much generated, be able to see it as you can see here. This is the finished product and I can tell you it's very, very clean. As I can see, image looks very, very great. And that is just one image. And you have some other images that have been generated with this application here. So let's just check out the text to video option that I've generated earlier. So this is pretty much what was generated. I still haven't finished this yet, but let me just check it out. It's supposed to be finished. So let's see it here. So let me see the video that's generated. So as you can see here at the top here, I have the download option. They have also other things which you can do as well. You can share, you can delete it. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So tap on this option here to pretty much play back. Nothing much for that. But this should be finished. So I'm waiting on the video to pretty much load. So I'm just gonna go back and select this here. Select something else and then go back here to see if it's finished. So these are just some different videos or preset videos which are generated by the application, which can even recreate yourself if you want. You can just tap on the recreate option. It will pretty much copy the prompt and everything as it relates to the video. So I'm not sure why it doesn't want to upload, but I will get back to this very soon.